Hello?
Hey, Cindy, I got another request to show the place, but they're asking about 6:15 tonight, so I thought I'd better check with you.
That's fine. Like I said, no one's living there, so that should be fine too. I'll just let them know at 6:15.
Okay. All right. I'll let them know then.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, good activity.
I know. I'm liking it.
All right.
Hey, and I just want to tell you, you are really a professional. I've never had this kind of, treatment at all. So I just told you the other day, I'm like, man, you're on it. I've never experienced that kind of treatment in my whole life, and I've sold at least 8 houses.
Wow. Well, that's awesome to hear. That's the whole point of working for repeat business and referrals. So.
Oh, that definitely will be doing that.
All right. Well, thanks for that information and the compliment.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, bye.